Welcome back students. Today's date is 27th May 2021 and students we are talking about this LCM and SCF. It is the relation number 2 and in the relation number 2 we are in the class number 3. So students, before starting to the things I want to say to you that there was the gap of this 26th May 2021. So you can note down these things. So students, in the LCM and CF class number 1 and class number 2, we have come to know that to find the factors of any composite number, students. We are talking about to find out the factors and multiples, LCM and SCF. M is multiple, F is factors, C means common, something will be common. Here least will be common, here highest will be common. So that can be defined as our LCM and SCF. So in this we shall talk about that multiples and the factors. So multiples, how to know what is the multiple of any number? What shall we do, students? We shall read out the table of that number. That will be the multiple of that number. But students, if we are talking about that factors, so factors of a composite, to find out the factors of a composite number, we shall apply this rule. Okay, and to find the factors of any prime number, if we are saying, so factors of a prime number is 1 and the prime number itself. And of course you can note down these things that 1 is the factor of all the numbers. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So please write down up to here, thereafter we are talking about the other things. So look students, here we are considering an example and the example is saying us that what are the prime factors. What is students? Prime factors. What are the prime factors of 80? So problem is saying to find out the prime factors of 80. So students, for 80 we want to find out the prime factors. So look students, I have told to you that for composite number, 80 is a composite number, it is not a prime number. 80 is a composite number, and we want to know what will be that prime factors of this 80. So how will we find out the prime factors of 80? So of course students, composite number, 80 is a composite number. So for 80 we shall start from 1 to the 11 and we'll check that now which number is going to divide the 80. So look student, 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so we will not talk about that 1 since it is the factor of all the numbers. So we shall start from 2. So if a number is given to us, please notice this and try to understand this line, that if a number is given to us and we want to know that prime factors of that 80, so of course if we want to know the prime factors of that a number, so that will be a composite number. So here you are looking students, 80 is a composite number. So since 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so from 1 we will not look at that number. From 2 we will start. From 2 we will start and we will look that whether the 2 is dividing this 80. So when will you select the 2? Of course 2 will divide the 80. So look students, for getting the prime factors, we shall draw the vertical and this is horizontal. This will be called as our horizontal line and this will be called as our vertical line, is it? So we will make something like this, and here we will select the number, whatever number is given in the problem, and after that we shall start from 2 and we'll look that whether 2 is going to divide this number. So if 2 will divide the 80, so we will select 2. And how many times it will go? How many times 2 will go to divide the 80? Of course 40 times. Of course 40 times it will go. So 2 into 40 will give us 80, or you can say 2 for 40 ja 80. So here what will come students? 40. Here 40 will come. So here 40 is coming. So again we will draw a horizontal line. This will be horizontal line. And we'll look now 80, you have seen that 2 is dividing that 80. So we'll select 2 here. And how many times it is going? 40 times. Again the number is coming 40. Again we shall start from 2. Look students, again we shall start from the 2 and we'll look that whether 2 is dividing the 40. Of course 2 will divide the 40. So 2 will divide the 40. How many times will it go? It will go 20 times. Isn't this friends? So we are getting 20 here. So once again the horizontal line. Whether 2 is dividing the 20 now? Yes, 2 will divide the 20. Again, when are we dividing this 40 by 2? Once we have divided the 80, we are getting 40. Again we have seen that 2 is also, again the 2 is dividing this 40. So again we will select the 2. Now you are looking, this you are getting this 20 here. So you are looking that 2 again will divide this 20. So we shall select this 2 here. And how many times will it go? 10 times friends. Is it? So I am breaking here. You can break here and start from here. So friends, we are getting now 10. So whether again from where shall we start? From 2 we shall start. from 2, from 1 to 11 we will check, but since 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so whenever are we finding the prime factors of any number, so 1 we will not select. We shall start from 2. So whatever many number of time the 2 is going to divide that number, first we shall check that. So again the 2 is dividing this 10, so it will go 5. So look students, you are getting 5 here. Whether 5 is a prime number or composite number? 5 is a prime number. So I have talked that prime number will have the factor 1 and the number itself. Prime number will have the factor 1 and the prime number, whatever is the prime number. So you are looking 5 is a prime number, so of course 1 and 5 will be the factor of this number. Here if you are looking 10, 10, 20, 40, these are the composite number. So if composite number will come, so we shall start from 1 to 11 and then check for the composite number. So 1 will divide all these, so we will not select the 1 in this case. Where are we finding the prime factors? So you are looking 5 is a prime number, so it is going to be divided by 1 and itself only. 5 is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? Number greater than 1, which will be divisible by 1 and itself only. So 1 is going to divide this, but we shall not talk about that one. So what will be the next number which will divide this 5? Of course it is a prime number, so the number itself now is going to divide this. So we shall select here 5, here we will get 1. Okay students, so the prime factors of 80 will become, prime factor of 80 will become, what is students? This 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we shall write that. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So whatever number we have selected here, whatever number we have selected on this side, that we will write with multiply operator. Whatever number we have selected here, that we will write with multiply operator. So 1, 2, 3, 4 2s you are getting. And what are you getting the next one? You are getting 5. Okay students? So this will be your solution of this problem, and this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 will be the prime factors of 8. 2 into 2, this 2 into 2 meaning is what? 4. Into 2 meaning is what? 8. Into 2 is meaning is what? 16. So look, 2 into 2 will become what students? 2, when will we do 2 into 2? It will come 4. So why the 4 is not here? Because the problem is saying you to find out the prime factor. So of course for the prime factor we will apply this rule only, and we are looking that we are getting the prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So how will we write the prime factors? We shall select the number, and 1 we will not select, we shall start from 2. So when the 2 will divide the number, so we shall select 2 here, and how many times 2 is going to divide this 80? 2 40 you can say, huh? So 2 will go 40 times to divide this 80. So here what will you write? 40. Okay, one horizontal line has completed. We have selected one number. Again look into this number, whether it is divisible by 2. Yes, of course it is an even number. If at the place of at the unit place, if you are getting any even number, so that will be divisible by 2. Go to the divisibility chapter. I have talked. So again we will select the 2, and 2 will divide it 20 times. So second horizontal line will be completed. Whether 2 again is going to divide this, of course 2 again will divide this. So once again we will select the 2. So how many times will that 2 will go to divide this 20? It will go 10 times, so we shall select the next number 10. Again we will look that whether 2 is going to divide this 10. Yes, 2 will divide this 10. So we shall again check, we shall again select the 2 here. And how many times will it go to divide this 10? 2 5s are. And here we are getting the prime number. So prime number will have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So 1 we shall not select. So of course 5 will be only divisible by 5. So we shall select here 5. So whenever are we getting the any prime number, so for that we shall select the same number. For the prime number, if you are getting, after performing this task, wherever are you finding the prime number, there you will select the same number, then it will become 1. So if prime number will come, so the same number you will select here. But students, if composite number is coming, if composite number this 80, 40, 20, 10, this, so composite number is coming, so you will have to be checked from the 2 to the 11. From 2 to the 11, since we are not talking about that one, 1 is a factor of all the number. So from 2 you will start, and whatever many number of time that 2 way is going to divide that number, you will divide that. And then after you will proceed for the other things. Okay, I think the prime factors, how will we find, I have taught, so you can write down up to your first. Thereafter we shall talk more about it.